in here? What's that? You want? Well, Claire can help you.
Okay, yeah.
A trap. Oh boy! Oh, what is that?
That looks like that.
Oh no, that's Coley's. That's Coley. Show Coley.
That's what she said. Look like
Oh, good
Oh,
job.
I thought she said look what I got.
You got a car?
Okay,
Tractor.
find one for Claire now.
Wow.
Gotta have Claire's name on. Does that have Claire's name on?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. You know it's your
very
name.
Good. I'm sitting in the wrong spot. Jim, why don't you sit over there? I can't get pictures of that. You can maybe open that for him.
DVDs.
What is
Oh,
it?
Here, Papa will help.
DVDs.
Grandma.
Maybe Grandma can help tell you what each one is.
Here.
Grandma. I don't like the mean ones.
You don't like the mean ones? I don't blame you.
Let Grandma tell you what they are.
Okay, let's see. Cinderella. Oh, I love Cinderella. Oh, Cinderella 3. And what's that? Robot.
Can I
Yay!
tell you what robot I like? It's funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is he funny? I've never seen him.
Look at Coley.
He's like, hurry.
Okay,
My DVD player is only for movies.
Right, right. You're right.
That's all for me.